Look at logo designs, and we are going to design a very simple farm logo. There exist different types of logos, but we are going to look at a simple logo. So now, what do? The first thing is that we need to use our shape. So we come to this area. Each time you want to use a shape, please come to this area. You're going to have shapes there. When you click on it, it's going to open, and then you click on shapes. Now on shapes, click on the square below. Or you click on the square below, you'll see a cycle. You can choose the first cycle to be white. Yeah, you can choose the first cycle to be white, and then you can choose for the second cycle to be red. So what do? You come here, you see copy, right? You copy it again. Now when you copy, just scroll, and you're going to see color, the color that is red. So now what do? You increase the size by either pulling this angle, to increase or reduce. So we pull this way, and then we confirm with a tick. Now scroll back, and then you're going to see something written here, to front to back. Click on to back. It takes that image to back, and then you can use your finger to position the cycle. Now the next thing is you need to input the picture or image. Now when you do that, still on this selected icon here, you're going to see that here you can have images when the image is not selected. So you click there, excuse me, you click somewhere on the screen so that everything is deselected. You click on import. Now when you click on import, it is taking you to your gallery. So now your gallery, you're going to select the image you want to use. We are going to use this image. This is the image I want us to use. So now when you have it's in a square. There is a small circle here. When you click on it, it's going to take effect here. So this is what we do. You click on it, you see the effect. You can use your fingers to adjust how you want it or where you want it to end, and then you click on the tick below to confirm it. Now here we go. We have this simple setup. You can position wherever you want to. And then the next thing you do is that you need to include the business name. So we click on text, and we come to this A. Each time you want to use a text, come to A. Each time you want to use a text, you come to A. Oh, sorry. You click on A, you edit the text. So there we are going to put Bella's Poultry Farm. Bella's Poultry. We have Bella's Poultry, right? So we carry the information up. Then we try as much as possible to change the font. So you scroll below, you are going to see font. You click on font, and we are going to use this. Okay, you choose your own font. Now still there, you're going to see something like a curve. You click on the curve, right? And then you use your hand to position it. Now we have Bella's Poultry. You can position it very well. And then you have farm. You can add farm. Or what do? It's easier for you to use the same text. Just click on the text and you take copy. Now on copy, you come, you take edit, and you put poultry farm. Now that is Bella's Poultry Farm. As the text is highlighted, scroll below and you're going to have the curve. You reduce the curve this way so that it suits the shape. So we have the farm here. Are we there? So you look for a good position to put it so that it fits or suits. Now if it doesn't suit, what do? You need to reduce the size of the text. You reduce the size of the text and you put it there straight. So you edit the text for it to be Bella's Poultry. You go back to your curve and you allow it straight. Bella's Poultry Farm. That is it. Now when you're done, you have to save the logo. And the best way to save the logo, first of all, click on the Dix icon here. We click on the Dix icon here each time we want to save. Click on the Dix icon. When you click on it, first of all, save as project. Just give it a name so that in case of any corrections you can come back and do. And then you click again on the disk, you take save as image, and then from there you can save as PNG. Now when you come to dimension, always take ultra so that the quality remains strong, and then you save to your gallery. So if you go to your gallery, you're going to see the logo which you designed.